In this video, I will be showing you how you can change the display time on your B900 display panel. So what that means is how long the calling information will remain showing on the screen until it's taken away. So for instance, the default is always 60 seconds. So that means if I press a button, this information is going to show there for 60 seconds and then it will automatically go away by itself without you having to press the cancel button. Now, if you want to change that, you will use your remote. You'll press enter to switch it on. You will press the function, and when it shows fun 1, you change that 1 to a 3 by pressing 3 on the remote. When the second one is flashing, you change that to a 4 so that the screen will show fun 3-4. You press enter on your remote, and this is now where you change. So you can choose from 0 to 99 seconds. If you wanted to only show for 10 seconds, you just change that to a 10 by pressing 10 on the remote, and you press enter to confirm. It will tell you setting success, and we can exit by pressing the function key. So now this will show, if I press, for 10 seconds until it automatically goes away. So I'm going to let that happen and show you. There we go. And then what happens now is if you want to change this to show permanently until the cancel button is pressed, you will go to the same setting. So that is setting number 3, 4, enter. And all you do is you just change this to a 0, 0. You'll press confirm. And then you can just press function to exit. So now if you press a button, that information is going to show there, and it's not going to go away until somebody presses the cancel button. So no matter how long it takes, if it's a day, if it's 2 days, it will just continue showing until the cancel button is pressed. So that is how you change the display time on your B900 display panel. Thank you very much for watching.